You have just landed in Japan and met a Japanese person for the very first time. Can you introduce yourself in Japanese? Yes, you can. It is really easy to introduce yourself in Japanese because all you need is to know 3 sentences. Number 1 is nice to meet you. Number 2 is I am and tell your name. And number 3 is please treat me favorably. Number 1. When you're meeting someone for the very first time, the way to say nice to meet you is Hajimemashite. In one of my previous videos, I have explained Hajimemashite in detail. The link of that video is in description, so you can go and check it out and practice as much as you can. Number 2. In second sentence, you'll be telling your name. In Japanese, there are a couple of different ways to tell your name, but the one I'm telling you right now is easiest. Watashi wa desu. Number 3. And the third and the last sentence you will be saying is please treat me favorably, which is yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Let's see how Piyoko introduces herself to Nekomaru. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Piyoko desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Let's hear it one more time, but slowly. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Piyoko desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Japanese is really easy. All you need to do is practice as many times as you can and not overboard yourself with a lot of information. So please go through these 3 sentences again and again and keep practicing it today, tomorrow, as many times as possible. And in next video, I will be telling you how to reply to this. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow our Instagram.